Hi guys, welcome to another Tableau session. In this video, we will learn about nested dimensions. So what are nested dimensions? How we build the view for these nested dimensions. Till now, when you are talking about the visualization, when you're talking about the building the visualization, you have taken one dimension and one measure to represent the requirement. For example, till now you got the requirement like you need to look at category wise sales or region wise profits or even subcategory wise number of orders or even order quantity. Like that you got the requirements. For example, now I am building the same basic view category wise sales. For that I am bringing the category to the row shelf from the data pane, and again I am bringing the sales from the data pane to the column shelf. Now make it entire view. Just click on T to get the labels. Now the sale value is coming here. Now what is nested dimension means here involving more than one dimension to represent the requirement. See, when the client asks you to get the category wise and subcategory wise sales details. So here with the question you are clear that you need to involve two dimensions for the visualization. So now as of now you are having category in this visualization. Now just try to bring subcategory. So just drag subcategory and try placing it next to the category. So what is the question? Category wise and subcategory wise. So if the question is like subcategory wise and category wise, then just place in the reverse, like subcategory will come first and category will come next. As the question is category wise and subcategory wise sales, just placing subcategory next to the category. See, when the here in the visualization, placing one dimension inside the other. See, inside the other means not within this, just it is coming next to the first dimension. So that is placing one dimension inside the other dimension is the nesting of dimensions. Here as we involve two dimensions, the nesting level is 1. So when you are involving 3 dimensions, the nesting level is 2. That means 2 level nesting. Here it is 1 level nesting. Now I am trying to bring category to the colors. Now what happens here when you add category to the colors? See, for each and every category it is representing with one color. Furniture is coming in blue color. So that means whatever the subcategories that are coming under these categories will be colored with blue. Even whatever the subcategories that are coming under office supplies will be covered with orange, as the category under this category office supplies is taking orange color. All the subcategories will be represented with orange color. That is how the coloring will happen. Now let us try to bring subcategory to the color. So as you are bringing subcategory to the color, each and every subcategory will take one color. Well, but only when you are bringing category to the color, then based on that all the subcategories will be colored. So this is one level nesting. Let us open a new sheet, and in this what we will build is, here we will take category wise, subcategory wise and segment wise, product wise sales details. Okay, now the requirement is coming like this: category wise, subcategory wise, segment wise. Here is the segment wise. Okay, now product name wise, sales. Okay, now see, here Under this category, furniture, bookcases. Under this bookcases, consumer segment. The products that are coming under this consumer segment are listed out here. If you are scrolling down, see now the segment changes here. Under corporate, what it is coming? What are the products that are coming under corporate? Now again, if you move like this, see then next, once the segment, see here we are having 3 segments. Once the segment part is completed for one subcategory, and then the next subcategory wise segment details, segments and the product details will come. And as you are scrolling down, entire data will be represented based on the category, subcategory, segment and products. So now this is called, as 4 dimensions are involved in this visualization, this is called 3-level nesting. So if you are taking n dimensions, n minus 1 level of nesting is possible. Like this, you can add as many number of dimensions as you want till it will define the meaningful output. It doesn't mean nesting of dimensions means you can drag as many as you want. But if it is not giving you the meaningful output, then it is waste. That's why as long as it is useful, you can do the nesting till the required level. So this is called nesting of dimensions. Thank you guys.